Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go. You are not connecting. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go, you are not connecting. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about Monopoly Go and you will enter. Then this list of app and for you we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Monopoly Go. You can click here and uninstall, and then you can install again your app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another